Welcome back, Hotelier. Chapter 6, Part 13. Egg Roll Soup. The perfect soup recipe for a chilly day. This recipe is sure to please. Prepare time: 10 minutes. Cook time: 25 minutes. Servings: 8. Ingredients: 1 pound ground pork, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 carrots, peeled and diced, 1 white onion, peeled and diced, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 8 cups chicken stock, 1 small green cabbage, sliced into bite-sized pieces, 1 teaspoon toasted sesame oil, 2 teaspoons ground ginger. Toppings: thinly sliced green onions, toasted sesame seeds, wonton strips. Directions: 1. Add your ground pork to a large stock pot over medium heat for about 5 minutes, flipping pork occasionally until slightly browned. Remove pork from the pan using a slotted spoon, then place on the plate and set it aside. 2. Add the olive oil, onion, and stir to combine. Sauté for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add the garlic, carrots to the pot and sauté for about 2 minutes. Add the prepared pork, ginger, stock, and cabbage to the pot and stir to combine. 3. Continue to cook until your soup reaches a simmer. Decrease the heat to low and cover, simmer for an additional 15 minutes, or until the carrots and cabbage are tender. Stir in the sesame seed oil and spice with salt and pepper to taste. 4. Serve soup warm and garnish with your favorite toppings and enjoy. Thank you. If you enjoy watching my egg roll soup recipe video, then do like and subscribe my channel. Also, do not forget to turn on the notification bell.